What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's gonna be a quick one. Another super focused devlog style video. I've been getting the itch to just churn out a one night app, and I just want to build something fun. A problem I've been having for a while is I'll go out to a coffee shop and I'll do some work, but the Wi-Fi might be bad. So I'll switch networks and then it's bad again. And I keep finding myself having to pull up speedtest.net, run a speed test, change Wi-Fi's, speed test again. So I've been thinking, what if I just made a speed test app that lives in the menu bar and shows you your internet speed in your menu bar. It'll listen for any network changes, so then anytime you change your Wi-Fi, it automatically runs a speed test, so you don't have to go through that whole process. And if you ever think, is my Wi-Fi slow, you can just look in your menu bar and see the speed. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. It should be fun, it should be quick. I can't imagine this app taking a lot of time. It's gonna be so small in scope. I literally just want to see the download speed, the upload speed, and be able to run a test. I don't care about all the other things that come with speed test apps. So this will be fun because it'll be my first menu bar app and my first Mac app in general. And I think I just want to put it in the App Store as just a paid app, $2 or something like that. And you just pay one time, buy the app, and you can use it. I'm also going to call it SpeedBar. I like that name. It's not my worst one yet. So yeah, that's what I'm going to work on today. For those who are new, my name is James, and I've been working on apps, mobile apps, full stack web apps for 7 years now. And on this channel, I just share some of the stuff I'm working on and what I've been learning. So let's build SpeedBar. I don't really have a design in mind. Just for the sake of messing around and having fun, I want to make it look very old and retro. So I'm going to go for a really old school 90s Windows Mac app. What I'm going to try to do right now is just create the Xcode project and then try to see, can I run a network test? And then how do I run a network test? So that's what I'm going to look into now. So I found out how I'm going to do the speed test. I'm going to download a test file from some public hosted file, and I'm going to calculate the time that it took to download that file. The speed can be determined based off the size of the file and the time. For the upload, I'm going to pretty much do the same thing. I'm going to try uploading a test file and then calculate how long it took. I was looking into how these speed tests worked, and there's a couple different ways. This downloading and uploading is a pretty consistent one, and then there's also a CLI tool from Apple called Network Quality that will just work out of the box. The problem with the Apple tool is that I would have to potentially turn off the sandbox environment permission or capability, and I don't want to have to do that because then Apple might flag the app, or it might make the user accept some weird permission that I don't want. And then the third way I've seen people do these speed tests is by pinging, and I don't really want to set that up because then I need to have a server somewhere that I can ping. So yeah, this downloading seems to work. ChatGPT found some random hosted file that's publicly used for a lot of these things, and I'm just going to download 100 megabytes. Cool, so I got it done. As you guys saw, it's a simple app. In the menu bar, you can see there's a little icon that shows that the speed test hasn't ran. Once you connect to a new network, I automatically run the speed test and I show it in the menu bar at all times. Lightweight, simple, it doesn't really do anything, but it'll solve a problem for me, and it was fun to build and mess around with Swift. So that's pretty much it. Peace.